Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's video, we shall be learning to chant the 21st shloka of the Hayagriva Stotram. First, let us learn it word by word. Parisphuran Nupura Chitrabhanu Prakasha Nirdhuta Tamonu Shanga Padattvayim Te Parichinmahentaha Prabodha Rajiva Vibhata Sandhyam Parispuran Nupura Chitrabhanu Parispuran Nupura Chitrabhanu Prakasha Nirdhuta Tamonushanga Prakasha Nirdhuta Tamonushanga Padattvayim Te Parichinmahentaha Padattvayim Te Parichinmahentaha Prabodha Rajiva Vibhata Sandhyam Prabodha Rajiva Vibhata Sandhyam Parispuran Nupura Chitrabhanu Prakasha Nirdhuta Tamonushanga Padattvayim Te Parichinmahentaha Prabodha Rajiva Vibhata Sandhyam. Let us now learn the meaning of this verse. In this shloka also, Swami Vedanta Desikar advises us to take recourse to his feet. He prays for the removal of the darkness of ignorance, ajnana, through the lustre of the gems embellished in the Lord's anklets adorning his sacred feet. Te Parisphuran Nupura Chitrabhanu Padadvayim Parichinmahe. Parichinmahe means we meditate. On what? The Padadvaya, or the 2 feet of the Lord. How do they appear? Parisphuran Nupura Chitrabhanu, with 2 beautiful anklets studded with precious gems. What do? Prakasha Nirdhuta Tamonushanga. The light emanating from these gems is like the effulgence of the multicolored rays of the sun, which drives away the darkness of ignorance. Antaha Prabodha Rajiva Vibhata Sandhyam. Just like the morning sun makes the lotus bloom, we pray that the lustre of the anklets on the Lord's feet may cause knowledge to blossom in our hearts. The twin benefits arising from the continuous dhyana or meditation of the sacred feet of Swami Hayagriva are removal of the dark clouds of ignorance and the blossoming and growth of divine knowledge. May we pray to Swami Hayagriva to bless us thus. Shri Hayagrivam Upasmahe.